Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. I've said it many times. I listen to my customers. In this situation, it's something that I've been hearing the same thing for a bunch of years, and it's regarding bracelets. Hey, Mark, do you have a bracelet for the Citizen PROMASTER Diver? And I never did. And enough people ask, and then, about 4 or 5 months ago, I put them into production. Meaning basically you had to buy a bunch of them and reverse engineer the lugs to get them to fit correctly. And I have two for you today. The two most popular styles, the full brushed, you know what I'm talking about, and the polished and brushed. And I will show them to you and they will brush up. They will freshen up your PROMASTER Diver. So right now I know it fits the BN0150 and the BN0151. Doesn't make a difference what's after the dash number because that's just for different markets. Blue dial and black dial. They are coming out with other dial color variants of the same watch. The bracelet will fit. As far as will fit your NY0040s and stuff like that, I'm almost positive it will not. Pretty sure there. For my own wrist check, I'm wearing one of the PROMASTER divers that I bought. This was actually a test fit piece to make sure it works perfectly, and I'll show you. I'll put both bracelets on here and it works perfectly. And on the other wrist, that Islander abalone monster, which by now probably has been released and it's for sale or maybe sold out, who knows, on the website. That's it. Let's check out this new must-have accessory for your Citizen Diver. So normally the PROMASTER, whether you get the blue one or the black one, or I don't know, there's other colors now, they ship with, it's kind of a cheap plasticky, they probably call it rubber, strap with the wave at the back. Actually pretty cool that Citizen puts, if you could see it, they put in metal sleeves for wear and tear. That's actually pretty nifty. But anyway, enough about that. Put that back there. So this is my new Islander bracelet for the PROMASTER. Like I said, BN0150, BN0151, and then after the dash number doesn't matter because that is basically just your different distribution areas. So this is my part numbers for the bracelet are BRAC BRAC-35 and 36. This is the 35, this is the 36. It looks awesome. It's standard milled scissor clasp, 3-position of micro, but you've come for the fitted end links. So it's a solid link, solid end link. I include the spring bars, and it's sized with screws. Is that amazing? And look at the integration to the case. It's perfect. It really is perfect. It goes on like a dream. I will pop the other one on just so you can see what it looks like on the watch. But that's it. This is going to be a quick video. It's just kind of me listening to things that you want produced, and I go out and make them. And then here is the other full brushed, polished side 3-link bracelet. This is the BRAC 35. Both of them the same price. Both of them 59 bucks. Same specs, everything. It is 20 at the lug, and it does taper to 16 at the clasp. So it does make it super cozy. But I guess that's it. It's a quick one. Like I said, this has been Mark from LongIslandWatch.com showing you a new bracelet or bracelets for the Citizen EcoDrive PROMASTER Diver. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Questions or comments, you can put them down below. I'll be sure to address them as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.